Hey, what's up, y'all? This your girl, Roro. Thank you so much for tuning my channel, Lifestyle of a Penny Pincher. So, it was time for me to go on and hit the streets and everything and do a little twist and turn. And I have these favorite jeans that I've been wanting to wear for the longest. I done tried to lose weight and everything, and they just don't want to act right. So I said, you know what? I'm not giving these bad boogers away, baby. I'm fit to find me some kind of way to get into them. So I came up with this little idea. Y'all know it be all up in my head and everything. So I came up with this little idea of how to make the little too tight, skinny jeans fit. If you want to make your jeans fit again, stay tuned. Here are the eyelets. And when you are trying to pick your eyelet, just know that they come in different colors. They come in silver, gold, bronze. They really come in all kind of colors. So, and different sizes, guys. So it's just to your preference, whatever you decide to like. You can always move the eyelets a little bit closer, or you can move further apart. It just depends on how you want the laces to be. Go ahead and make sure you mark where you want. I always mark mine first, so that way when it's time to cut, I don't have to be trying to figure out how far apart I want them. Make sure do not go past the pocket, because once you start lacing up, if you go past the pocket, then you won't be able to see the whole lace design. And when you are nipping your hole for your eyelets to insert, do not cut a hole. Just do a little nip. All I'm doing is doing a little pinch. Oh my God, bear with me, guys. First of all, y'all know I got these nails on and I can hardly do anything but trying to look cute. And all I do is just add an extra additional 20 minutes on to everything that I try to do. I don't know how y'all work with nails, but hey, I'm trying. And see how easy it is? Like once you get your snap in there, it's just like snaps on the jeans or something. You can't put them on wrong. It's only one way. Either it's a big part into a little part. You will know, because two big snaps cannot go together. And make sure when you're starting the project, make sure you have enough eyelets. I actually had to go back and get another pack because I thought one pack was going to be enough for a pair of jeans, because I didn't really recognize that it came with a top and a bottom part. So now here come the whole highlight. Get your little eyelet tool and make sure you place the little black stopper underneath the eyelet and just go to hammering. You might really want to go ahead and place them on the floor. That might be a little bit more secure for you, and you won't damage your table. Do not forget to subscribe. And of course, y'all know I do not know how to sew. So a lot of my projects will be used with a hot gun glue. Now, to each his own. So if you know how to sew, then go ahead. You can run one little old piece of thread all the way up. You can use hemming tape. You can use fabric glue. Whatever your preference is. My preference is just a hot gun glue because I'm trying to get it quick and done. And like I said, now that you know why I said do not place the eyelets past the pockets. Because even if you do past the pockets, you still will not be able to see the lace once you start lacing the side of it. So I always stay underneath the pocket. And I will speed this video part up, but a lot of viewers were saying that I needed to slow some of my videos down. So that's the only reason why I decided not to fast forward so much of the video this time. So I guess I do understand a lot of people like actually want to see it. At one time I was thinking everybody already know what they're doing. So yeah, so that's the reason why I'm slowing it down. So if for people that already know how to do this, then what you can be doing while the video is playing is go ahead and subscribe. And when you're using your strings, you can use any kind of string, ribbon, shoelaces, whatever your preference is. I just so happen to have a spool of ribbon just laying around the house. I said, well, let me try these out. You can also do them in different colors too. Like if you have a red shirt that you like, go ahead and lace them up with some red ribbon or red shoestrings. You can make the lace fit tight where it won't show too much of your leg on the side, or you can loosen up the laces and show a lot of leg on the side. Like I tell y'all all the time, it is just to your liking. Everybody's taste is different. So baby, go for what you know. And yes, I am watching y'all. Subscribe to my channel right now. once again, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Y'all do not know how good it feels to have my subscriber numbers going up. I get teary-eyed, guys. I ain't lying. When I see it, I'm like, oh my God, they really like my videos. They really like the stuff that I'm doing, because everything I do is from the heart. I love helping people. I love designing stuff. So if I can help you, if you ever have any kind of projects or ideas that you want me to try out, let me know. Send me a message or something, and I get started on the ASAP. Now, ain't you glad you watched my channel? And here y'all was about to give these jeans away to somebody else and have her looking all Beyonce-ish. And your jeans? Baby, not on my watch. So until we meet again, yes, because I am watching y'all, okay? Stay safe and be careful out there.